Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I thought I'll talk to you about a product which actually is very important to cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoins. Now, the one of the usages of cryptocurrencies is actually payment or transfer of funds. So this particular product, this called Square, which you could see on the screen, has been there in the market for quite some time now, and it's also a listed company on NYSE. So why I'm talking about Square today is primarily because um, you got to do something with investment in cryptocurrencies. Now, if you have an alternative to uh, investing in cryptocurrencies, by alternative to investing in cryptocurrencies, and instead investing in something else, yet you derive the benefits that comes with it when the crypto actually appreciates in price, then I think that's a double benefit to any investor. And that's the reason why I thought I'll talk about Square. And you would know what I mean when I uh, take you through this particular, detail about why I'm talking about investing in Square stock. And at the same time, you also get, by investing in Square stock, you also get Bitcoin along with it. Not Bitcoin as such, but you get the advantages of Bitcoin. So when it goes up, the chances of Square stock going up is also high. And so with that intent, I thought I'll do a video on investing in Square stock. So before I dive deep into it, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. And please share my videos. Please share it with people who you think would be benefited from my videos, who would learn something, especially in this particular case, investments in cryptocurrencies or in stocks or any other investment. So that's a pro tip that I'm going to talk about today. So let's dive in and talk about it. So Square, as I said, is listed on NYSE. The code is SQ. Now, like I said, Square is a payment company. It's a money transfer company listed on NYSE. In 2018, what Square did was they brought in Bitcoin to its Cash App platform, which immediately allowed consumers to buy, sell, and hold tokens. Now, that was a game changer. That was a brilliant strategy from the top management of Square. So, since that time, the Cash App has had an incredible growth curve. It really has grown. So, if you look at the figures, the matrix, the gross profit in 2019 was 47 million. That shot up to 1.23 billion with a CAGR of 197%, a compounded annual growth rate of 197%, which is staggering. And you don't really see that very often. Now, what has that got to do with the rapid growth? The rapid growth actually continued further into the first quarter of this year, 2021. And the gross profit soared to 171% year on year, reaching to $495 million. Cash App platform of Square. Now, to be very honest, Bitcoin itself contributes very little to the Square's bottom line, but it does a lot to the bottom line of Cash App platform. In fact, the gross margin on Bitcoin revenue was just 2.1% in the same quarter. So what it says is that bringing in a Bitcoin into the Cash App platform actually helped Cash App tremendously. It's not just the figure; it's also because whenever Bitcoin went up, uh, the revenues of Cash App also went up. Now you would know that in 2018, the crypto market went down, crashed. So that's the reason why we're talking about 2019, 20 up to 2021, which has been. By the way, this particular figure of 2021 here of 123 is a mistake. It's actually is 2020. So so Bitcoin actually helped Cash App tremendously. So let's try and understand what is Cash App. Cash App is a mobile payment service of Square that allows users to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone app. So it's a phone-to-phone, peer-to-peer transfer app. So now, if you look at how Square is benefited from this, Bitcoin brings in new users to Cash App and drives engagement with other products. Cash App has other products like Cash Card, so you could use a card so when money comes into your mobile app, you could use that Cash Card, the mobile Cash Card, to make a payment or do a direct deposit. So that's a big advantage because you're bringing in new leads, new users, not just leads, actually actual users into your domain. That is the reason why Cash App revenue actually went up significantly. The second thing, however, is that Square also provides hardware and software for retailers, just like the terminal the retailers used to take payments from credit cards, the Mastercard and the Visa and the other gateways. Well, although Bitcoin has little impact on this segment, but growth has still been solid in recent years because of this particular because of actually bringing in Bitcoin into the Cash App platform. Gross profit for this particular segment, here we are talking about the segment of the retailers, doubled from 777 million in 2017 to 1.51 billion in 2020. So you see in 2017, there was no Bitcoin in the Cash App. They introduced Bitcoin in 2018. Now, because of that, although this is not directly linked to the retailers at the shops, but that has contributed to doubling the gross profit in 2020. So over 2 to 3 years. So you could safely say that Bitcoin plays an indirect role in this particular growth of Square in this particular segment of their business. So what are the conclusions? First one is Square stock is really a good way to invest in Bitcoin without actually buying any of the cryptocurrency. So you see, you're not buying any cryptocurrency. So you're not really you are kind of protected from the fall of, let's say, a fall of cryptocurrency. You are buying a stock. Now, when that cryptocurrency goes up, the stock will get impacted, but not entirely, because the stock also has another business which doesn't really have a direct impact from Bitcoin. So it may even continue to go up. So you are investing in a stock, in this particular stock, Square stock, and yet you are deriving benefits from Bitcoin, from or any cryptocurrency, and you kind of shielded from a sudden drop in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. And the second is, if the entire crypto market crashes and never recovers, Square will still have a strong business, just like I said, in its other segments. But if Bitcoin becomes a lasting currency, Square is well positioned to tap into the huge opportunity that Bitcoin lends itself into Square. So it's a double benefit for anyone who's investing in Square. And that's the reason why I am quite strongly advocating that you go ahead and invest in Square stock. I'm quite sure that it would be a very strong, good investment for you. So that's my pro tip today. I hope this is useful to you. In the card above, I'll put down a link to to a product called Crypto Planet, which you could download. It's a paid application you could download, and you could earn passive income from cryptocurrencies using that particular application. Take a look at the video, and in the description box of that video, you will find the link to the sales page of Crypto Planet. So that's it, guys. As you know, I have a ebook on how I became an entrepreneur. I quit my six-figure corporate job. So the book is titled as Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. I quit my globetrotting job back in 2010, and I became an entrepreneur today. Today, I own 2 companies in 2 countries and representations in the US. So you could you would see the link to this particular free ebook flashing on the screen. You just need to go there. The link will also be there in the description box below. Go there, fill up the form, your name and email address, and the link to download will be emailed to you. Please go grab it as soon as possible, and I hope you like it. Please comment. And also, this book has 3 worksheets, so you could go through the worksheet. That's your personal worksheet. You don't need to share that with anybody. And that worksheet will give you a hint and indications to whether or how suitable you are as an entrepreneur. And that I have also done my own calculations on the worksheet, and you will see how much I scored on that particular worksheet. There are 3 stages to the worksheet. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for listening to my pro tip today. My name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn in the description down below. Please go ahead and connect with me. I also work with many companies on their business marketing and technological challenges, and to try and find solutions to those challenges. If you want to engage me as your consultant for your company or your startup, please drop me a line on LinkedIn after you've connected with me, or on the contact page of my website, whose URL will also be there in the description box below. And I shall respond to you soon, and we can get into a conference call. And as I keep saying every time, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please share my videos with all people whom you know who would benefit from my video. So until next time, please take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy, and I shall see you tomorrow with my new video. Bye-bye, and take care again.